How to change battery icon color on iOS 17. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and head over to accessibility. Once again, scroll all the way down and move into Per App Settings. Tap on Add App. You have to click on Home Screen and App Library. Now click on it. And then you have to click on Smart Invert. You have to enable this option, so tap on. Now go back to your previous page. And then head over to Battery. In here, what you want to do is simply enable the option Low Power Mode. There you can see that the color of the battery has been changed. Now if you keep on using your device, the color of the battery will be changed according to the background of the display, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change battery color on iOS 17. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.